Today I'm going to show you how to make a beetroot chutney. I have another channel where I post videos on my allotment. I am going to post a video on there of how to make a beetroot and caramelised onion relish at the same time as I do this one. I'll pop a link below if you fancy going and have a look, then follow the link. But otherwise, you will need 1 kilogram of raw beetroot, 500 grams of apples, 2 red onions, 500 millilitres of vinegar. I used apple cider. You can use other types of vinegar if you want. 300 grams of sugar. I used brown, but you can use granulated if you want. 2 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. Firstly, you want to cook your beetroot. So just in a pan of boiling water, add your beetroot to make sure that the water covers it, and you want to boil it for 30 to 40 minutes until it is nice and soft. Then once cooked and cooled, you then want to just peel your beetroot and chop into cubes. It should be really easy to peel beetroot once it's cooked. The skin should just come straight off. I would, however, recommend using gloves for this if you have gloves, purely because you'll end up with red hands for about 5 days. And you just want to prep all your other fruits and vegetables. So for the apples, you want to peel and chop them into small cubes. For the onions, you want to dice them. And for the garlic cloves, you want to dice them as well. And then in a saucepan over a medium heat, add your vinegar, your onion, your apple, your garlic, and your ginger, and simmer for about 10 minutes until the apples have softened. Then add your beetroot and your sugar and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Your mixture afterwards should be quite thick. It should have reduced down a bit. Then add your salt. Then simply spoon into jars, and while the mixture's still warm, pop the tops on, and that will help seal it. To sterilise your jars before use, you can fill them up with boiling water and then tip it out. That will always sterilise the insides. You can store your chutney for about a year in a cool, dark place. Once open though, keep in the fridge and use within a week. And there you have it. That's how you make a beetroot chutney.